What's up YouTube? I am DJ Kelo, the energy from the Sick House Party series, and today I am going to do an unboxing of the brand new Audio-Technica M50 coming up right now. So keep it locked. This is DJ Kelo, the energy reviews. Big thanks to Caribbean Entertainment Technologies Limited from Barataria for this. Now, this is not a sponsored show at all. I wouldn't mind if they sponsor, but it is not a sponsored show. All right, I paid my money for this and they delivered it straight to my house via TT Post. So thank you so much, Caribbean Entertainment Technologies. Those guys are awesome, so check them out. All right, let's get into it. Okay. This is my receipt. Nice. So here it is. Audio-Technica ATH-M50X. Yeah, guys. So all the DJs, studio guys, get your hands on a pair of one of these. Trust me, you won't regret it. So this is the Audio-Technica ATH-M50X. This is not the newest pair of headphones out there, but this is my brand new Audio-Technica ATH-M50X. So let's get into this. First of all, the box, sleek design. I love the layout of the box. Tells you everything about it, all the instructions. That's everything that it comes with. In the back here, your cables, your pouch, it is there in the box. So let's open it up and see what we got, because it is like Christmas for DJs, man. Yeah. New headphones, come on. All right, so let's open it up. So first of all, we have the actual headphones here. They come in plastic. Let's get that off. All right. So straight off the bat, you can see the design is really cool and it's light. It's pretty light, you know. So that means when you have to DJ for long hours, it's not gonna affect you that much, right? It's pretty lightweight. Cups look pretty cool. It swivels both ways, 180 degrees. So let's see the comfort now. All right, so let's go. Let's try it on. Yeah, feels pretty cool. All right, see all the branding. So there's never a mistake to know which headphones you have. Yeah, oh, I had it upside down. There we go. Branding, Audio-Technica. Yeah. So those are the headphones. Let's put these over here. And now, coming with this, to get out the plastic, we got a nice sleek leather pouch with the Audio-Technica branding right there. See it? Audio-Technica. Yes. Branded, engraved right there. Looks awesome. Alright. And with this, in this pouch now, we have 3 sets of cables. So we got, this is a straight cable. Alright, so you have your options. You have your straight cable right there. You have as well a shorter cable. I guess this is for your personal use. This is more for DJs because we need a lot of length, because sometimes you have to go looking for your crates if you're a DJ who plays on records still, you know, but we need space because we have a lot of movements. And you also have your long flex cable, right? So it's stretchy, it could go anywhere as well. This is what I would normally use, right? This is a long stretch cable. I will quicker use this one over the straight. That's just a preference thing, right? So we have these, and most importantly, see this right here? This, do not ever lend anyone this. This is like your drawers, okay? This is your life. But I mean, with the new consoles, they actually have both options. You have your quarter and you have your 1/8 jacks. So, you know, these days it's not that detrimental, but still, never lend this out. Okay? And there you have it, guys. The ATH-M50X from Audio-Technica. And trust me, you guys are going to be seeing me using this in a lot of shows coming up very soon. I love it. So thank you to Caribbean Entertainment Technologies Limited for providing us with some of the best in the audio, AV and lighting equipment, entertainment equipment. Thank you so much, guys. Again, this is not sponsored by them, but if you guys want to sponsor, feel free. All right, check me out on all the socials at DJ Kelo The Energy. That's Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Thank you, guys. Remember to hit me a subscribe right down there. Click that subscribe link and check out the other videos that I have available right now on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much and have a great day.